Hello friends, welcome to my tutorial. Friends, today we will discuss about JSON second part. Means friends, by using VolleyLibrary. Okay, friend, VolleyLibrary is much easier than async task. So friends, now friends in Android Studio, I will erase this. Okay, erase, and friends, simply I am taking linear layout. Its width, match parent, its height, match parent, its ID, its orientation, its gravity. Okay, that's it. Friends, I am taking one button. Friends, simply I am taking one button. Rep content. Okay, that's it. And friends, its ID. Friends, simply B1. Okay. Friends, its text. JSON. Friends, now text size, text style bold, text size 25 sp. Okay. And friends, now I am taking one text view. I am taking one text view. Wrap content. Wrap content. Its ID TB1. Its text. Its EMS 10. Its text style bold. Its text color, some color friends like red. Okay, here that's it. Taking margin from top 10 dp. So friends, this is our here. Look at one button and one text view. Friends, in main activity, first of all, you declare text view TB progress dialog PD. Okay, and friends here. Okay, friends, in on create, first of all find the ID of text view. So find r.id.tb1. It's assigned into tb. Friends, next make the object of progress dialog. So new progress dialog. Okay, and friends, this assign into PD reference. Friends, set PD dot set message PL please wait. Okay, friends, that's it, our progress dialog. Friends, after that define the button on click method. So on click save one. Okay, friends, define in main activity. So this is about. Friends, now pd.show friends volley. Okay, what by using volley, so volley dot new. Oh, friends, first of all we have to add a dependency. So file, project structure, app dependency plus library, and type this volley and enter. Friends, first okay, choose this and select okay. Friends, after successful syncing, so it will come appears automatically. So friends, it's hopefully built successfully. So friends, after this we have to take VolleyLibrary. Okay, so first friends, ed.show new volley dot new request queue. Okay, and context parameter here. Friends, this return request queue. Oh, request queue rq. Okay, that's it. Friends, after that take new string. Friends, simply copy this here, simply copy and double quotes paste. Okay friends, now new response dot listener, and friends in this string friends it override method, so implement method on response. Okay friends, in this tb dot set text response. Okay friends, after that pd dot dismiss. That's it. Friends, after that make new response dot error listener, implement method on response on error response. Okay, so simply implement method. Friends, in this simply I'm taking toast, and in toast I display message plus error. Okay, so simply friends I simply display this message error. Friends, after that add request dot request dot add sr. Friends, first of all new string assign into string and string request. Okay, so sr. That's it. Friends, this is our coding. Friends, here is some mistake. So okay, so friend, this is our code. Okay. uh, Initialize text view, product dialog. In this on create, find the area of text view, make object of product dialog. So new product dialog context p dot set text set message, please wait. Friends, after that define the button on click method to save one. pd dot show, we take volley dot new request queue context parameter, its return type is request queue rq. Friends, after that new string, pass the JSON URL. So here I copy this. In previous video I had show you how to generate the URL. So friends, after that new response dot listener string, it's override one method on response. Friends, in this method I have taken text view dot set text response and p dot dismiss. Friends, after that new response dot error listener. Friends, in this one method or on error response listener. Okay, on error response. Friends, in this we simply take a toast message, so plus error. And friends, last don't forget to add this rq dot add and friends string request, so sr. Okay friend, this is our code. So होपफुली आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो फ्रेंड्स। वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें। फ्रेंड्स, इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो आई विल स्टार्ट न्यू टॉपिक, सो डोंट मिस दैट वीडियो फ्रेंड्स। तब तक के लिए बाय, गुड नाइट, थैंक यू।